medium.
There's no medium.
Okay, the big. Dito kami ngayon sa, sa Starbucks. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. Ha? So, it's Monday. Monday pa lang ngayon. Sabi ko Tuesday, Monday pa lang pala. Monday of 8 July. July 8. Feeling ko nasa ano ko, Yang Mingshan. Kasi yung bundok. Medyo masama ang pakiramdam natin. Meron akong migraine. 2 days na akong may migraine. Ay, nagpapasalamat nga pala ako sa mga taga-Korean, mga Korean na nag-subscribe sa akin. Thank you. Kahapon, I have only 297 na subscriber. And then, when I woke up this morning, wow, I got already 311. And all my subscribers from Korea. Thank you. How do you say thank you in Korean? Kamsahamnida. Breakfast for Monday breakfast. Egg and my tea. Nandito kami sa Songshan Hyewon Square. Songshan Hyewon Square. Papunta kami ng somewhere. Just in time. Dito kami sa Tusang. Tusang. Bango. Hagdan is life. What? Hagdan again. Everyday hagdan. Oh. Kaya naman lahat ng ating taba-taba dyan ay na grabe yan ah. Oh. Kaya lahat ng mga taba-taba tanggal. Wow. Ha. Nandito kami sa Kachigoge Road. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Sini, where are we going? Sini?
Not that close.
Okay, where are we going? Haduje Road. What is that? Hey? We're going to Kamchon Cultural Village. I think that's the one, right? We are going to take a bus. Bus to Kamchon Cultural Village. Kamchon Cultural Village. Ang init. Pero buti na hindi umuulan. Lahat kami naka-white. Asawa ko lang hindi. Is it me you're looking for? Hanbok. Oh, look at that. I wanna wear hanbok. ganda oh. Puro bahay. Kinulayan na bahay. Ang init. Grabe yung sinakay namin na, na bus. Para kami papatayin. Ayun oh. Sarap i-bike to oh. Mga anak ko. So, nandito kami sa Gamcheon Culture Village. Gamcheon Culture Village. Gamcheon Culture. Na, actually, this one is also nice to take a picture here. Gan. Pag may mga turista. Sakit pa rin ng ulo ko. Nagsosolo, selfie. Nagsosolo siya.
What?
Solo selfie. Nagsosolo yung ano ko, yung asawa ko. Selfie siya. Sakit pa rin ang ulo ko. Migraine, no? Kaya hindi ako masyadong makapag-vlog. Masama ang ating pakiramdam. Nakikita niyo mata ko. Yung kalahati ng ano ko. Ng mukha ko. Sakit ang ulo. Cloudy. Buti na lang. Kasi kung may araw, hindi ko lalo kakayanin.
Wow. Hi.
We're here in Gamcheon Cultural Village.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me.
It's Gamcheon.
Greetings from
Gamcheon.
Korea and kamsahamnida to new friends in my YouTube subscribe.
Say that again. I accidentally cut you off.
My YouTube subscriber.
네, 한국인 서브스크라이버한테 감사드리겠습니다. 네. 어떻게 생각하시나요? 아부님. 어떻게 생각하시나요? How do you think about this?
Well, you know,
좋아요.
it's
It's good? Yeah, 좋아요. Say 좋아요.
좋아요.
Yeah. 어떻게 생각하시나요? 어머님? 좋아요.
How's your nipa?
Beautiful. I'm gonna get my proper admissions letter before us. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Congratulations. We already fully enrolled you and we will send you the admission letter today.
Hooray! Hooray!
Go up there and then we have to go. I didn't say that. There.
Climb the thing. Climb. Ang sarap nitong ahonin, no? Ahon pa more. Look at that. It's gonna be 24%. Kaso nga, di ba, sabi ko nga, habang kaya mong lakadin ang paahon, kaya mo siyang i-bike. Parang ano lang to, papuntang Jufen. Diba? Malajufen. Sa Taiwan. Kung sa Taiwan, ano? Diba? Malajufen na Do you know, guys, which one is similar to this place? In Taiwan? Jufen.
Jofen? No, Jofen is all the red.
No, it's the same also like this.
No, we went somewhere where there was like more.
Bibili sana ako ng sombrero eh, kaso lang wala namang araw. Kaya wag na lang. Kamnay. Sakit ng ulo ko. Wow! Sorry ah. Hindi tayo makapag isda oh. Hindi tayo makapag salita ng maigi. Gawa ng tayo ay may nararamdaman. Costume rental. Gusto niyo mag-costume mo? But not today. Mainit. Kamnero. Grabe ahunin no. Ahon hanggang doon pababa. Ahon pa more. Gugutom na naman ako. Dami kasing pagkain eh. Tayo gutom na naman. Korean traditional paper art shop. Hello, Gamchon. Hello, Gamchon.
Visit one. So well, à cause d'une fleur.
Biotic for her too.
You are not neutered. Hey. Because if they are neutered, they should have a clip. cute. The clouds is
The clouds is coming.
coming in. I will be happy from 3 o'clock if you come at 40 o'clock. 40 o'clock. 4 o'clock pala. Baba na ng clouds. Sarap i-bike.
Are you tall?
Oh.
Sarap nitong i-bike ko. Baba. Wala ang hill. It's only you.
맛있게 드세요.
Sarap. I love it. Yeah.
난 그렇게.
His kids' meal.
Koroke.
Ganda talaga ng anak ko.
Japanese koroke.
Mahal
Then pang...
Who doesn't want to?
Wow. Sinong gutom? Gutom mo.
Yakisoba.
Yakisoba. Chicken.
Fuchi. Chicken skewer. Chango. Kui. Eel. Grilled eel.
Okay.
Koroke. Odenkan.
Yummy.
Maybe I ought to burger too.